Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with basics that actually fix most issues. Check the HDMI and input so the Apple TV can send a picture. Next, power cycle the unit, unplug for 10 seconds and plug back in to clear temporary glitches in memory. Once done, make sure your remote has fresh batteries or use the remote app. Connectivity problems often mimic system failures. If you use Ethernet, connect it now to rule out flaky Wi-Fi, because a stable network simplifies the next steps. You need to verify the software and network because outdated firmware or poor connectivity causes playback and app crashes. Go to Settings, check for software updates and install them. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Then test the network, run a speed check or plug into Ethernet, since streaming demands steady throughput. If apps still misbehave, force a restart using Settings or hold Menu and Home for 10 seconds, which reboots the system more thoroughly than a soft restart. When problems persist, escalate to a reset because it clears corrupted settings without guessing which file is bad. In Settings, choose Reset or Reset and update to reinstall system software while preserving some state. Use Restore with a computer if reset fails, which reloads the OS from scratch. Make sure the HDMI supports HDCP and test another HDMI port or cable to rule out handshake issues. If you still see errors, contact Apple support. Describe steps taken and any.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.